Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix remote desktop connection is very slow on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your remote connection is working very slow when you take the remote desktop to another PC, it is working very slow, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here group policy. You can see here edit group policy, click on this. I will maximize the screen. You can see here first computer configuration. Just select this one. Under this you will find administrative templates. Double click and expand. After expanding administrative templates, you just need to click on systems, then come to the right side. Here you can see internet communication management. You have to double click and expand. Double click and expand internet communication. After that you need to find turn off automatic root certificate update. You can see here turn off automatic root certificate update. Double click. By default it is selected as not configured. You just need to click on enable, then click on apply, then click OK, then close this window. After doing these changes, once you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix remote desktop connection is working very slow on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.